It's been a long time since the last update, and in this video I would like to show you how we are progressing with our new dashboard builder. And as you can see here, it's already available in a feature preview, and what it is yeah, it's a really improvement over the last or the current dashboard builder. And what you can see here is actually a working version of it. So first of all, we've got a lot of new widgets like switching stuff and setting things with slider widgets and so on. There's some new text widgets and headline widgets, but also the charting widgets has improved, and also the overall handling of everything. You can drag and drop things around, and this also allows you to quickly change the layout of anything. And these switching widgets are a pretty cool new way, and also the start for our LoRaWAN downlink section. But I've got a quick demonstration. I've used this dashboard here to hook it up to my Philips Hue lights, which I've got here in my home. So for this, I was using a Raspberry Pi that's hooked up somewhere in my installation room, and it's powered by Balena. So on it, there's running a container with Node-RED, and we've installed the native Datacake Node-RED extensions. So basically, under configuration, we've created a field called Light Kitchen, which is the light in the kitchen, and this then is hooked up to the Hues in my garden, which is like I was just leaving it in the kitchen, but then hooked it up to the Hues in my garden. And basically, we take the Datacake Node-RED extension, and when you drag it onto your flow, you can select your workspace. You simply do this by setting up some, let's go into members. No, that was the wrong one. Members here. Set up an API user. You can use the CakeRed default user for this, for the internal Node-RED, but you could also create your own API user for some special devices. So you simply set the API token, and then you can choose the devices in your current workspace, and we select the RPI that it's in the installation room, and then you've got all these fields here. And there is also the Hue Garden switch. Yeah, sure. I was seeing this one here. Let's go back to it. I'm going to show you this. There's the Hue Garden switch, and this is hooked up to the new dashboard builder. So every time let me do this, like this one here, and we can watch the debug output. And if I'm going to have this as a separate tab and switch some things here, you can see that they are being transferred to the local Node-RED, which is running here in my home. As you can see, it's a local IP address, so nothing in the cloud. So the Datacake cloud is forwarding things into the Node-RED onto our my Raspberry Pi. And we can also set brightness levels here, so it transfers the things that we set here, and you can see that they are all hooked up to the same field. So when I change it, all of them changes. And as you can see also, we are using here the Datacake MQTT broker. So everything around these Node-RED nodes is focused on our Datacake MQTT broker. You could use that, for example, to subscribe to all these changes here from the dashboard by yourself, or you could use the Datacake nodes. So basically, this change is happening immediately. So I've got the computer here in my home office, but it's then going to our servers, which are placed in Frankfurt, and then it's going back to my home office into the Raspberry Pi that is sitting in my installation room. But as you can see here, when I click it, it's instantly there. It's just a few milliseconds between pressing it and the command actually is received in the Node-RED. And yes, so basically this is a short update about everything what we're currently working on, and we're so really looking forward to have this new dashboard builder ready for public release, or for the first public release. And when we will do that, we will also do LoRaWAN downlinks. So Yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned.